Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a navigation in React Native. Kind of got some steps here that will be kind of just following. That way I can just copy and paste and kind of keep me on track here. Squirrel. Anyway, the reason this is here is I'm actually building an app or rebuilding my app from React to React Native. And you'll get to see me as I set up and build this app, all the things that I managed to figure out and accomplish. I'll be making videos for this. But anyway, yeah, today we'll be doing navigation. So go ahead and load up this one. Here we have a blank slate. And first thing we have to do is just install your core React navigation packages, which is just the core packages that the library uses. Install the dependencies, which will be needed for the project. Again, here's your stack navigator library, another library that'll be needed. And then from there, we'll go ahead and just create a navigator JS file is what I decided to name it. You can really name it however you want, but that's just what I'm using it. That's what I'm naming it. And I'm keeping it in the main folder. Like I said, I've already got all this code written, so I'm not gonna go through all this again. I'll just copy and paste from this. It'll be all set up the same, so it should work just fine. Where am I here? Oh yeah. And you'll probably see me get confused and start bouncing back. I'm bad about that when I have multiple tabs open. So we got the navigator.js file set up. And then we need to set the screens up. And I like to keep everything in its own isolated folder. That way, for any reason, if I need to include like subfolder or subfiles or subfolders for that landing screen, it doesn't add to the main folders pile. It's all isolated for itself, by itself. And then we'll do another one, and I'll call it swipeable screen, just because that's how my folder is set up on my app. I'll go up here. Oh hell, I could have just copy and paste all that, but yeah, anyway, you get to see how it was created. Alright, get rid of that one now. Alright, landing screen is done. Swipeable. Copy this one down here. So now we have our navigator file set up, which we're importing our landing screen and our swipeable screen, whichever screens you need, into here. And this will be where all the navigation is managed. And this is your stack for your navigation. So it works just kind of like a browser, you know, like it'll go forward, backwards, starting from here. There's all kinds of settings and modifications you can do these. You can check out the npm information on it, npmjs.org. I'll put a link in the description for some of them. Or actually, it'll be in the repo in the README file. So, okay, we got our navigator set up. Now we need to import it into here. Oh, what did that say? Oh, I didn't install it on these, so go ahead and do that. I forgot to install it on mine, on my app. So you get to see me watch me do these, which I'll probably skip through these in the video. Let's see if we can get this to reload. You got some code here. So yeah. And now we've imported Navigate into our main app, and we've incorporated it into the app. We've wrapped it in our theme provider so that everything inside Navigator has access to the theme provider. And you can wrap all your providers in right here. Makes you feel like cleaner code too, you know what I mean? So now, there you go. That's what I mean by like a stack, like it's stacked up on top of it. You can swap them around and it'll be the other way around. I think there's settings you can do to get rid of this and kind of make it act a little differently, but I'm not sure on that. You can look at the information on it. Anyway, that's it. If you got anything out of it, like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Deuces.